Have you ever looked at your Acorns account and wondered, where did that money come from? Or maybe you're just starting out with Acorns and want to make sure your hard-earned cash is actually making its way into your investment portfolio. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Acorns deposits and how to verify that your money is where it's supposed to be. Let's get started. Understanding Acorns deposits. First things first, let's talk about what exactly an Acorns deposit is. Essentially, it's any money that's added to your Acorns investment account. This could come from your bank account, a linked debit or credit card, or even from a recurring transfer. Now, why is it important to verify these deposits? Well, it's all about peace of mind. You want to make sure that every dollar you're investing is accounted for and working hard for you. Method 1. Checking your transaction history. The most straightforward way to verify your Acorns deposits is by checking your transaction history. This is like looking at your bank statement, but for your Acorns account. Explain how to access transaction history. Detail what information is typically included in a transaction, date, amount, type. Provide tips on how to search for specific deposits, e.g., by date range, amount. Method 2. Reconciling with your bank statements. Another effective method is to reconcile your Acorns deposits with your bank statements. This involves comparing the deposits listed in your Acorns account to the withdrawals shown on your bank statement. Explain how to match deposits between the two platforms. Discuss potential discrepancies and how to resolve them. Emphasize the importance of regular reconciliation for financial oversight. Method 3. Contacting Acorns customer support. If you're still having trouble verifying your deposits, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorns customer support. They're there to help. Provide contact information for Acorns customer support. Explain what information to have ready when contacting support. Discuss potential solutions that customer support can offer. Common deposit issues and troubleshooting. Let's talk about some common deposit issues you might encounter and how to troubleshoot them. Discuss pending deposits and how long they typically take to clear. Explain what to do if a deposit is missing or incorrect. Provide tips for preventing deposit errors, e.g., double-checking account information. Additional tips for deposit verification. Here are a few extra tips to help you stay on top of your Acorns deposits. Set up email or push notifications for deposit activity. Review your account regularly, not just when verifying deposits. Consider using budgeting tools to track income and expenses. Conclusion. Verifying your Acorns deposits might seem like a chore, but it's an essential part of being a responsible investor. By following these steps and paying attention to your account activity, you can ensure that your money is working hard for you. Remember, if you're ever unsure about something, don't hesitate to reach out to Acorns customer support. They're there to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.